Hi! Naku, it's so nice to see you guys. Pero pasensya na ha, kasi medyo may safety issues yung building natin ngayon. Kaya for today, unfortunately, we have to cancel the training. But don't worry.
Cancel ang training?
Yes, pero don't worry kasi ipapahatid namin kayo ulit kung saan namin kayo sinundo. May shuttle service tayo, nandyan pa rin.
Ano?
Ano cancel?
Oh my God!
Paano utol ko?
Please don't worry kasi as soon as ma-resolve yung safety issues ng building, ipapatawag namin kayo ulit and we will resume the training. Don't worry kasi ipapabalik namin kayo kung saan namin kayo kinuha. Sa pick-up point ninyo, ha? May shuttle service tayo.
Shuttle?
Yes, oo. Ibabalik kayo yung shuttle service.
Oo.
Oo. Pasensya na. No, don't worry because we will reschedule. Tatawagan namin kayo. But for now, you have to go back to the shuttle. Sige na po. Sige na. Ha? I'm so sorry, You know, ayori namin ito. But, sir, sige. Yes.
Oh my God!
Ano po ba?
How about, can I use your washroom? As in, mabilis lang po talaga.
Sir, meron na kasing safety issues yung building. So, we cannot let you in. Hindi po pwede kasi baka kung ano pong mangyari sa inyo. Alam niyo naman, your safety, sir.
Actually, malayo pa kasi yung pick-up point. So, mabilis na talaga. Like, 20 seconds?
Sir, hindi, ganito, sir. Sasabihin ko dun sa driver ng shuttle service na ay parada kayo dun sa pinakamalapit na restroom para makapag-restroom. Sige na po.
Ganun po ba?
Yes.
How about
Safety, sir,
20 seconds?
No. Sa daan na lang, ha? Don't worry. Ipapahinto ko yung shuttle service natin. But you really need to vacate the building for your safety. Sige na. Okay? Be safe on your way home, ha? I'll see you soon. Tawagan namin kayo. Okay?
Ano, pasukin na natin to.
Hindi nga, kailangan natin ng confirmation. Nandiyan ba si Sunshine, Emma? Do we have CCTV sa loob?
Wait lang, naghahanap ako ng workaround.
Please.
Emma, you know na illegal yung pag-hack mo, di ba? We can't use that in court. Kailangan lang naman natin ng visual sa loob ng building kung nandun talaga ang kapatid ni Galo. And besides, hindi ba illegal din naman itong ginagawa ng sindikato? Still, mali pa rin yan. Sabihin mo yun kay Galo.